Hello children, welcome to the second series of this chapter, crop production and management. In this series we'll study about the basic practices of crop production. We will cover preparation of soil, in which we'll cover about plowing and agricultural implements, and we'll study about the second part also, that is called as sowing, in which we'll study about the selection of seeds and tools used for sowing seeds. Basic practices of crop production. The cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by the farmers over a period of time. You may find that these activities are similar to those carried out by a gardener or even by you when you grow ornamental plants in your house. These activities or tasks are referred to as agricultural practices. So the major step involved in agricultural practices is preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting and storage. In this video, we'll cover about the first and second part in detail. We'll study about preparation of soil, in which we'll study about plowing and agricultural implements, and we'll cover about the second part, that is sowing, in which we'll study about selection of seeds and tools used for sowing seeds. Preparation of soil. Soil is the medium in which plants grow and derive water and minerals from. Therefore, maintaining soil quality and fertility is crucial for a good crop. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily, even when they go deep into the soil. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworm and microbes present in the soil. These organisms are the friends of farmer, since they further turn and loose the soil and add humus to it. Soil contains minerals, water, air, and some living organisms in it. In addition, dead plants and animals get decomposed by soil organisms. In this way, various nutrients in the dead organisms are released back into the soil. These nutrients are again absorbed by the plants. Since only a few centimeters of the top layer of the soil supports plant growth, turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plants can use these nutrients. So the techniques used for preparing soil before the seeds are sown are called as plowing and leveling. So let's study about plowing first of all. Plowing is a process of loosening and turning of the soil. It is also called as tilling or plowing. This is done by using a plow. Plows are made of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. The plowed field may have big clumps of soil called as crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs. So here comes leveling. Leveling the field is beneficial for sowing as well as for irrigation. Leveling of the soil is done with the help of a leveler. Agricultural implements for tilling or plowing. Hoe is used. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening of soil. Nowadays, cultivator is used, and it is a tractor driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. Next is sowing. Sowing is the most important part of the crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. The good quality seeds are clear and healthy seeds of a good variety. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. Tools used for sowing seeds. First is broadcasting. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled in the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. In broadcasting, it involves the scattering of seeds by hand. This has two advantages. The seeds are not evenly distributed and they lie too close to the surface. Even though seeds can be covered with soil, the problem of uneven spacing remains there. So, a modern method of sowing seeds was required. So, here comes our seed drill. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool sows the seeds uniformly at a proper distance and depths. It also ensures that seeds get covered with the soil. It is a quicker and better method of sowing seeds. A seed drill is a funnel-shaped bowl connected to a series of long tubes that have narrow holes. It is connected to a plow and releases the seeds gradually as the plow furrows the land. The seeds get covered by soil automatically. This prevents the damage caused by birds, and this method saves time as well as labor.